I'm telling you, it's always funny.
Oh, he's right. You can't see a guy get hit in the groin and not laugh.
No, we're awake.
Yep, wide awake and ready to party. Check it out.
Oh! Well done, sir. Tonight for dessert, we have figs or dates, both in a sweet yogurt sauce. Like most ethnic foods, our desserts are disappointing.
Cammy and I are through.
No. Oh, come on. You guys have to stay together.
Yeah, the four of us have so much fun. Hey, remember this?
You guys have been talking through the whole damn song.
Watch this. I'm so sorry. Nut punch.
Luck.
Always funny.
All right, I'm sick of this baloney. Now get your fat alien ass in my bike basket.
No.
I said get in the basket.
I'm not afraid of you anymore.
Want to talk to me?
Yeah, of course. Settling back in okay?
Keep going.
What you working on?
Oh, I'm just...
Oh, sorry. Been shedding scabs all day.
That's cool.
I can't do it! Ah! Easy choice.
She'll be back.
Roger, I think you're in denial.
No, I'm not. I hate you. I've always hated you. If she brings back the shuttlecock, I'll feed the needy, I swear. Oh, God, I don't think I can face this. I don't want to be around people. You know what? It is what it is.
Roger, you just went through the 5 stages of grief.
But my species has 6 stages.
Was that the 6th stage?
Nope.
Come on, Stan. The CIA spent years training you for this exact situation. Use that training. So long, suckers.
Dad, are we having a father-son moment?
We were. You ruined it by mentioning it.
Splinter!
I like the way you're putting the kid through his groin drills.
A sturdy groin is the linchpin of victory. Vince Lombardi said that. I'll coach my boys' team.
You called me your boy!
Quit ruining moments! Look at this. We're having a father-son moment.
Quit ruining it!
Thanks for the bike. I love you, Dad.
Other convicts are watching. You gotta demonstrate dominance or they'll eat you alive.
My dad just taught me a life lesson.
You tried to save him, Dad. You're a good son.
I have a great role model.
I love you, Dad.
You never know, I might end up in there one day.